It's the most beautiful time of the year. Lights fill the streets, spreading so much cheer. I should be playing in the winter snow, but I'ma be under the mistletoe. Hello everyone, and welcome to this guitar tutorial for the song Mistletoe by Justin Bieber. So a quick disclaimer first, I'm going to be playing this song as close and as accurate to its original audio as possible, as well as playing it as simple as possible so that more of you guys will be able to follow. But before I begin, please do not forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell down below, so that you guys will be able to stay updated for my future videos. And if you guys would like me to teach anything else, just comment it down below as well. I'll try to do it for you. So yeah, without any further ado, let's just go and jump right into it. So before I teach you guys the chord progressions that we're going to use in this song, I'd just like to discuss with you the chords that we're going to use throughout this entire song, which are going to be these ones right here. Yep. So first up is going to be the A major 7 chord, which is going to be like this. And that's going to be 5, dead string, 6, 6, 5, then another dead string. Yep. The next up we have E7 chord, which is going to be like this. Now for this one, we're going to use our index finger to bar the entire 7th fret, starting from the A string down to the high E string. And so all in all, that's going to be dead string, 7, 9, 7, 9, and then 7. Yep. The next up is going to be the F sharp minor 7 chord, which is going to be like this. And to do this chord, it's going to be 2, dead string, 2, 2, 2, then another dead string. Yep. Then lastly, it's going to be the D major 7 chord. It's going to be like this. And to do this chord, it's going to be another dead string in the lower E string, 5, 7, 6, 7, then another dead string. Yep. So all in all, we have A major 7 chord. It's going to be like this. Yep. 5, dead string, 6, 6, 5, dead string. E7 chord, dead string, 7, 9, 7, 9, 7. F sharp minor 7 chord, 2, dead string, 2, 2, 2, dead string. And lastly, it's going to be the D major 7 chord. Yep, and that's going to be dead string, 5, 7, 6, 7, and then another dead string. Yep, A major 7, E7, F sharp minor 7, that's going to be D major 7. And as for the plucking pattern that we're going to use for the entirety of this song, it's going to be this one right here. Yep. So all in all, it's just going to be like this. Yep, just like that. And to do this, we're just going to pluck the bass string, which could either be the lower E string with the A string, depending on the root note of the chord that you're playing at the time, along with the D, G, and the B strings all together. And waiting it out for a bit, then slapping it. And once again, bass, D, G, B strings, D, G, B, then slapping it. Yep, so once again, it's going to be bass, D, G, B, slapping it, bass, D, G, B, D, G, B, then slapping it. Yep, so all in all, it's going to be like this. Yep. And there you have it. And with that said, the entire plucking pattern is going to be worked for 4 whole counts for each chord that you're going to play in this song. Okay, and as for the chord progression that we're going to use for the entirety of this song, it's just going to be this one right here. Yep, so basically it's just going to be the A major 7 chord for 4 counts, which is going to be like this. Then the E7 chord for 4 counts. F sharp minor 7 chord for 4 counts. It's going to be the D major 7 chord for 4 counts. Then we're just going to be repeating that entire thing for a total of 15 repetitions, and that's basically going to be this entire song. Now an optional thing that you could do is to finish it all off with the A major 7 chord, which you could do like this, or like this. It depends on you and your preference when it comes to playing this song anyway, but we're just going to be sticking with the original audio of this song for now. Yep, so basically once again, A major 7 chord for 4 counts, E7, F sharp minor 7, and the D major 7. Yep, Then we're going to be doing that for a total of 15 times. We could end it all off with the A major 7 chord like this. Or like this. But if you want it to be broken down into the corresponding sections of the song, it's going to be this one right here. And so for the first chorus section of this song, it's just going to be the A major 7 chord for 4 counts. It's going to be the E7 chord for 4 counts. It's going to be the F sharp minor 7 chord for 4 counts. Then the D major 7 chord for 4 counts. Yep, and that's basically it. So again, for the first chorus section of this song, it's supposed to sound a little bit like this. With you, shawty with you, shawty with you, under the mistletoe. And as for the remaining sections of this song, basically it's just going to be the same chord progression, but instead of doing it once, we're going to be doing the entire chord progression twice for each of the remaining sections of the song. So again, A major 7 chord for 4 counts, and the E7 chord for 4 counts, and the F sharp minor 7 chord for 4 counts. It's going to be the D major 7 chord for 4 counts. Yep, once more. E7, F sharp minor 7. It's going to be the D major 7 chord for 4 counts. Yep. And once you finally sorted that out, it's supposed to sound a little bit like this. It's the most beautiful time of the year. Lights fill the streets, spreading so much cheer. I should be playing in the winter snow, but I'ma be under the mistletoe. I don't wanna miss out on a holiday, but I can't stop staring at your face. I should be playing in the winter snow, but I'ma be under the mistletoe. So yeah, that's the end of the guitar tutorial. Thank you guys for watching this far into the video. Please leave a like if you've enjoyed it so that I'll know. And please once again do not forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell down below so that you guys will be able to stay updated for my future videos. So if you guys would like to teach anything else, just comment down below as well, and I'll try to do it for you. And if you guys would like to watch my guitar cover for this song or some sort of reference, just click this one right here. And if you guys would like to watch my other guitar tutorials, just click these ones right here. So all good, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. It's the most beautiful time of the year. Lights fill the streets, spreading so much cheer.